Good afternoon, guys. It's Andrew Moore here from the Trading Clinic. Hope you're all well. It's been a lovely day today. The weather has been very warm. Haven't personally been able to take advantage of it myself, but as I say, it's been a lovely day, and it's certainly beginning to hot up and beginning to look like a summer. So that's always good. In any case, guys. Today, I just wanted to bring your attention to a setup that caught my attention. As I said in the previous recording, this is something that will continue, hopefully on a regular basis, and hopefully we can get a lot of you guys involved as well. Just want to give you a greater insight into what it is that I do, trading wise, and what I look for in the markets. Okay. Today what caught my attention was the Australian dollar to the Canadian dollar. This particular currency pair was very interesting because what we're essentially looking for every time we look at the markets, guys, is we're looking for key support or resistance. Okay, now even if I zoom out here, what we can see at this level is very clear or a very clean cut level of support where the market finds a crash landing and bounces back off again, finds a crash landing, bounces back off again, finds a crash landing and bounces back off again. Okay, so if I just zoom in for you, okay, and essentially what we're looking for at these levels is a pin bar or an inside bar setup. Okay, now we already know what a pin bar is. Essentially what we saw at this level is an inside bar setup. Okay, for those of you that are still a bit unsure as to what it is that you should be looking for with an inside candle, I'm just going to make a drawing for you guys. Okay, so what we have here is a candle. Okay, now what you're looking for is a smaller candle to be within the length of this previous mother candle or the bigger candle or the outer candle. Okay, and you're looking for this type of setup at a level. Okay, so that's what we've seen here. Okay, we've seen inside candle setup, and on the break of that inside candle, okay, we're taking our entry 1 point above the high. Okay, 1 point above the high, and our stop is 1 point at the low of that particular candle. Okay, so that's essentially the trade that I've taken today. As you can see, that it's still moving at the moment. Haven't actually initially this was the first problem area that I did put my profit target at. I have since moved it. If we go to a longer time frame, okay, so we have a 4 hourly and we have an hourly time frame here. What we have on the hourly, on the daily rather, is a pin bar setup. Okay, so I'm just going to bring this so you can see this a bit clearer on another chart here. So what we have here is a daily pin bar. It hasn't finished admittedly for the day, but we have a daily pin bar setup at quite a significant level as we've already identified. Okay, we can see at this level previously it's quite clean with regards to the support bouncing off it. So, and then we also have a trend line here. Interestingly enough, we have 3 touches which validates this trend line. So we have, just to make this a bit clearer, so we have 1 touch here, another touch here, and finally it brings us to this pin bar, which is also at a pivot level. Okay, so for that reason this trade is still running, okay, with an expectation that this pin bar will rally up to at least this 8916 level at some point tomorrow, or well, hopefully some point tomorrow before the long weekend. Okay, so again, just to clarify, I've taken a inside candle setup at a support level on the Australian dollar to the Canadian dollar, and that's a long position to buy. Okay, so that's what I've been looking at today. Any questions that you guys may have, feel free. As I say, we have the trading assistant, so one of the professional traders here, albeit myself, Jay Andrews or Tom Pitchin will be available on the Trade Assistant on the NetViewer website. So if there are any problems that you do have, you can always ask us questions on there. And I look forward to hearing from you guys in the forum. Okay, that's it for now. Take care. Bye bye.